guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna be talking about pickles. Well, you're probably wondering, what are you doing with pickles? Are you gonna be putting pickles on the face? Well, guess what? Nice. So, the thing about pickles is that they are good to eat, and this is actually sweet pickles, so it's good. However, what I'm gonna be talking about is the pickle water. Yes, the pickle water. Now, normally I use milk in some of my facial stuff. However, whenever I do milk, my vegan subscriber actually feel a bit left out because milk have lactic acid. All right, now when I said use coconut milk, use almond milk, they're getting nutrients from that on their skin. However, guess what is missing? Lactic acid. All right, so guess what is loaded with lactic acid? Pickle water. Yeah, pickle water is loaded with lactic acid. Okay, so for my vegan subscribers, go and get yourself a jar of pickle, because whenever I make a recipe using milk, you are now gonna use pickle water to substitute for the lactic acid in milk. So you are gonna use your almond milk or your coconut milk, but you're gonna use 2 teaspoons of this in your whatever it is that I make, whether your facial wash, whether your facial mask, whether your scrub, whatever it is with milk, you're gonna use your lactic acid pickle water. Okay guys, so there you have it. I have something new for all you vegans out there. However, everyone can benefit from this. So if there's a recipe and you don't have fresh milk, and you look in your pantry, you don't have yogurt, okay, look in your pantry and you find the good old pickle water, just put 2 teaspoons in there, use it on your skin, and you're good to go. Okay guys, I did my research because I love you guys and I want you all to get the full benefit of the pickle water. No, I want you to get the full benefit of the lactic acid. So there you have it guys, we have something new to introduce, and you're gonna be seeing me using a lot of this for my vegan subscribers. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, leave your comment, and if this was the first time watching, subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Now let's take a look at some of the benefits that is in this little jar of water. Okay, lactic acid benefits the skin in numerous ways. It can be used as a nourishing agent, exfoliant, or peel treatment. Lactic acid works magically as a nourishing agent for the skin. This is because it is a humectant. It reduces loss of water through the increased production of oils and fats within the skin. This helps hydrate the cell structure of the skin and keep it supple. Lactic acid works on the surface of the skin to stimulate cell turnover, reduce pigmentation, and brighten the appearance of the face. Along with that, lactic acid is also known to improve skin texture, reduce scarring, and control oiliness.